Meet Amara, a bright and energetic 8-year-old. But she had a big problem. She got angry a lot over anything.
When your
The
fists
kids
feel
even
tight
called
and your
her the
face
Angry
turns
Bird.
red, a storm
One
is
day,
brewing
her work was
inside your head.
accidentally deleted.
Stop right
She
there, take
screamed
a
and
deep,
ran
deep
out.
breath.
Her classmates stopped playing with her. Amara felt alone and misunderstood. Her teacher, Miss Lamy, introduced a special helper, the Calm Core 500. Press it when you feel a storm coming, Miss Lamy explained. The Calm Core helped Amara name her big feelings and taught her to pause and breathe. Amara started practicing. When frustration hit, she would whisper to the Calm Core, activating its 5 count waves protocol. She learned to say, I need a moment, and use the calm corner with its peaceful sounds. Soon, her classmates saw the change. They stopped calling her Angry Bird and started calling her Amazing Amara.